What do you need to crochet? Well, of course I'm going to say a hook and some yarn. But that's obvious, I can hear you reply. Yes, it is obvious, but which size hook and what gauge or thickness of yarn? Of course I've got lots of hooks, dozens of them. I've collected them over time, and I have favourites and I have some I don't use at all. But here's a few tips. Here's Mr. B. Sits in the hand nicely, got a good grip on it, keeps my hand nice and relaxed, enables me to curve my fingers around it but still stay relatively open in my hand. It's a really nice hook to work with. It's slightly rubbery, so there's a bit of give, and the bigger B at the top enables me to put my fingers on it. I suggest if you're beginning you start with a thicker yarn, the Aran weight. It's going to be much easier to work with. Unlike the fine weight in the middle, it's a great yarn, but dealing with fine yarns can be quite fiddly when you're starting out. Well, of course the yarn band tells us. Any yarn you buy should normally have a yarn band on it and guidance of all sorts of things like how you should wash that yarn. The knitting needle symbols tell us that this yarn requires a 4 to 5 millimeter hook. Now, do they mean 4 to 5? Do they want a 4? Do they want a 4.5? Do they want a 5 millimeter needle? Well, that depends on your tension and how proficient you are as a crocheter. So, for my yarn, I'm going to use a 4.5 millimeter hook with this Aran weight. Check the band of your yarn and take the midpoint if there's a range of needle sizes.